Rapoo is a well-known manufacturer in the field of peripherals. As a domestic brand, its products have always been famous for their excellent performance and affordable prices. In the field of gaming mice, Rapoo's VT series has gained a good reputation since it was launched a few years ago. With the popularity of lightweight in the mouse field, Rapoo recently launched the VT9, a dual-mode gaming mouse. So how does this product perform? I hope the following evaluation can give the answer. Let's first look at the unpacking part. The Rapoo VT9 dual-mode gaming mouse is packed in a beautiful color box. The overall appearance of the mouse is more beautiful, and its appearance is online. The accessories section contains additional Teflon pads, cables, adapters and quick start guide. The Rapoo V10C gaming mouse pad is also specially optimized for gaming operations, and it can be said to complement each other when used with VT9. The mouse pad adopts a large size appearance, and the surface is made of high-density woven cloth. It is worth mentioning that the Rapoo VT9 dual-mode gaming mouse also supports the V1P wireless mouse charging function module. The V1P wireless mouse charging function module supports the QI wireless charging protocol, which can wirelessly charge the mouse. Next, let's look at the appearance details of the Rapoo VT9 dual-mode gaming mouse, with the forward and backward keys on the side. Remove the magnetic cover at the bottom of the Rapoo VT9 dual-mode gaming mouse, and you can see the wireless transmitter of the mouse. At this point, you can install the V1P wireless mouse charging function module. After installing the V1P wireless mouse charging function module, you can charge the VT9 mouse through the wireless charging device. In addition, the bottom surface of the Rapoo V10C gaming mouse pad adopts a whole piece of rubber technology, which has excellent anti-slip stability. The nominal weight of the mouse is 78 grams, and the measured weight is 77.2 grams. Let's take a look at the actual experience of the Rapoo VT9 dual-mode gaming mouse. After installing the corresponding driver, you can switch between various configuration settings. In addition, it also supports the update function of the firmware. Here has been upgraded to the latest version. Rapoo VT9 dual-mode gaming mouse supports a variety of customized operations. Thanks to the introduction of the original 3399 engine, the Rapoo VT9 dual-mode gaming mouse supports up to 20,000 dpi. The Rapoo VT9 dual-mode gaming mouse also provides very fine granularity for the parameter settings of the buttons. With such a handy mouse, it will be extremely easy to deal with various games. At the end of the video, summarize the advantages of the Rapoo VT9 dual-mode gaming mouse. Lightweight appearance, excellent grip, wired and wireless dual-mode support, giving users more choices, original 3399 solution, up to 20,000 dpi, 2.4 GHz wireless transmission to ensure unlimited performance, support wireless charging, long battery life, and driver app provides rich setting granularity, Omron 50 million micro movements, excellent durability. Overall, the Rapoo VT9 dual-mode gaming mouse is a product with a very balanced overall performance, and there are no obvious shortcomings. While being lightweight and providing an excellent grip, it also achieves very good performance. Combined with its current price of less than $45, it can be said that the price and performance ratio is very good. It is very suitable for users who have a certain pursuit of mouse game performance, and at the same time hope that the mouse has a comfortable use and grip. What do you think about the new mouse? Write your opinion. Thanks for watching and see you soon.